everyone. Good morning. Welcome to Aruba AOS CX presentation. In this presentation, you will introduce to AOS CX products. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Yash. I work for Aruba. Let me start by giving you some background information before I start on Aruba AOS CX product introduction. As you all aware, enterprise networking products and solutions are evolving from many decades with different operating system, complex licensing model, subscription, and hidden proprietary protocols. Every network engineer experiences the pain of different operating system and different way of configuration management with no built-in API and automation. Aruba, customer first company, clearly understand today's and future customer requirement and their pain points. Aruba has been a market leader for providing simple, secure enterprise solution. Let me try and elaborate further on AOS CX products. As you see on the screen, all these Aruba switches runs on single programmable cloud native operating system AOS CX. In other words, Aruba AOS CX network operating system has no complex license management, no subscription, no hidden proprietary protocols. All AOS CX features runs on standard-based networking protocols. Aruba AOS CX has many right products to offer enterprise customers. Every AOS CX switches comes with embedded network analytics, CX mobile app, NetEdit, error-free management, Aruba dynamic segmentation, ClearPass, and central integration. Today, I'm going to focus more on a brand new Aruba 6200, which was recently launched to meet enterprise distributed branch requirement. Let's welcome newest family member Aruba AOS CX 6200. Before I deep dive into Aruba 6200F, I would like to highlight that Aruba 6200 runs on same single cloud native operating system AOS CX that brings many great benefit to network engineers and IT admins. AOS CX 6200 switch series is next generation to most deployed Aruba 2930F switches. Looking ahead, Aruba 6200 built with 7th generation Aruba ASIC to deliver reliable performance and also to meet future customer requirements. Aruba 6200 offers switching capacity up to 176 GUPS. Aruba 6200 comes with 4 key customer values: easy to deploy, faster to troubleshoot, flexible growth option, and ready for IoT. Simple deployment, you can choose either the central or on-premises to configure and monitor and automate. Our Aruba NetEdit will also help you to configure Aruba 6200 with error-free configuration management. Faster troubleshooting, it identifies and solves network issues with built-in network analytics engine at every switch. Flexible growth option, you can grow from all the way from 1 member to 8 member front plane stacking without no proprietary modules, stacking modules or cables. It is ready for the IoT. It's simple and secure with micro-segmentation that automates the user and device policy across the network. Let's move on and look at different types of Aruba 6200F platforms. As you see on the screen, Aruba 6200 offers 5 different models with and without PoE. Platform offers many port speeds from 10M to 10 gig. Aruba 6200 has built-in SFP and SFP plus uplink ports on each variant. It comes up with 24 and 48 port variant with PoE capacity to meet today's branch requirement. These switches provide flexible and easy management access through mobile app, NetEdit, cloud management on-premises solution. Let us double click and view the front panel view. Management access is made so easy on 6200F with USB-C console port, OBM port, and also with Bluetooth. With Bluetooth, you can have your mobile app to access the device. Aruba 6200 brings all enterprise class campus access security features to secure distributed branches. Standard Ethernet based stacking meets the exact requirement of customers with no proprietary stacking module and cables. Aruba 6200F is a right platform for distributed branches and campus access. Let's look into rear view of Aruba 6200. Aruba 6200 comes with intelligent thermal management and airflow of front to back. Aruba 6200 has built-in fixed 3 fans, 2 for the system and 1 for the power supply management. Let's look into feature highlights of 6200F platform. To meet today's and future branch network demand, Aruba CX platform is built with 7th generation in-house Aruba ASIC. As you see on the screen, Aruba 6200 offers enterprise class access features. Aruba's secure dynamic segmentation extends the same security and user experience across wired and wireless. With modern, fully programmable API, Aruba AOS CX has a lot to offer to networking engineers, like built-in network analytics, error-free configuration management, and many more. Aruba's 6200 brings industry-leading monitoring and troubleshooting capabilities to branch and also to campus access. With no switch license and simpler operation, a CX-based solution offers a value to customers with lower total cost of ownership. Aruba 6200 is the right platform for today and future branch requirement. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day. For more information, visit arubanetworks.com. Thank you.